Alaska, America's last frontier, is a place of unparalleled natural beauty and wildlife experiences and legends. This remote and exotic destination offers a unique opportunity for travelers seeking to explore vast, untouched wilderness. However, planning a trip to Alaska can be overwhelming due to its sheer size and limited infrastructure. To make the most of your Alaska vacation, it's crucial to let go of the idea of seeing anything and everything and instead focus on one or two destinations, preferably by choosing lodges over specific locations. And upon arrival, ask about the Inuit mythological creatures such as Bigfoot and Mahaha. Here are 10 essential tips to consider when planning your Alaskan adventure. Hey guys, for more enthralling content like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started! Number 1. Beyond fishing. While Alaska is renowned for its fishing opportunities, only a small percentage of visitors come solely for this activity. The state offers a diverse range of experiences, including hiking, mountain biking, heli skiing, kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, rafting, helicopter tours, bird watching, bear watching, and even surfing. Many lodges cater to various interests such as Tordrillo Mountain Lodge for heli hiking and skiing, or Favorite Bay Lodge for bear watching and mushroom foraging. Although the climate changes are very abrupt at all times, the glaciers are melting at a very high rate. Alaska's melt rates are among the highest on the planet, with the Columbia Glacier retreating about 115 feet a year, HugoNet said. Number 2. Bucket list destination of yours. Alaska is a dream destination filled with countless opportunities to fulfill your bucket list. Whether you want to race alongside Iditarod huskies, witness orca whales in their natural habitat, or sleep on a secluded nunatak with stunning views of Mount Denali, Alaska offers a daily feast for the senses that never disappoint. Number 3. Embrace community. Despite its remote locations, Alaska fosters a sense of community and socialization. Shared dining tables are common at lodges, and communal spaces encourage guests to unwind with card games and lively conversations. Some lodges offer more privacy, making them suitable for group getaways. And if you miss the igloo to watch, you would be at a loss. The fantasy of living in an igloo has always felt just as real to me. Growing up in cold climates, I fondly remember being a kid spending hours in the cold, building snow forts in our backyard. Perhaps it was this childhood nostalgia that inspired Leon Smith's vision when he began constructing his igloo-shaped hotel in the 1970s. The massive 80-foot structure, however, wasn't made of snow or ice blocks, but rather plywood and insulation. It named it Igloo City, and it's located at mile 214.5 in a remote section of the park's highway, south of Denali National Park. Sadly, the 4-story building has been abandoned for over 4 decades, never having become a functioning hotel due to building code issues. Number 4. Disconnect to reconnect. Be prepared to disconnect from the digital world during your Alaska journey. Limited Wi-Fi and cell service are common, especially at lodges powered by generators with restricted access to electricity and water. Number 5. Avoid DIY. Alaska's rugged terrain and unpredictable wildlife demand careful planning and expert guidance. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or engaging in other activities, it's strongly recommended to have a knowledgeable guide by your side, even in more populated areas like Anchorage. Anchorage is a bustling hub for business and travel, drawing people from all over Alaska. Here, traditions from all corners of the state come together. This amalgamation of cultures is most evident at the Alaska Native Heritage Center. Watching the song, dance, and sport performances from each culture provides an excellent introduction to cultures separated by hundreds or even thousands of miles. I've had the opportunity to witness hands-on art and practical craft demonstrations taking place near a wooded outdoor village site with life-size examples of traditional buildings. It's fascinating to learn techniques from master carvers in residence for the summer, overhear stories about traditional remedies from Alaska Native elders, or hear tales from the previous fall's hunt. Another gem in Anchorage is the Smithsonian Arctic Studies Center at the Anchorage Museum. This gallery showcases more than 600 rare or significant Alaska Native artifacts from the National Museum, bringing them back to Alaska where they belong. It's a treasure trove of rare and unique items all over Alaska. Number 6. Seasonal awareness. Alaska experiences distinct seasons with a short summer from June to August and less crowded months in May and September. Winter is ideal for witnessing the northern lights, while spring is perfect for heli skiing. Note that skiing in Alaska is primarily backcountry, with just one lift in the state. Number 7. Consider boat-based itineraries. Cruising along Alaska's southern coast provides a leisurely travel option without the hassle of packing and unpacking. Companies like Crystal Cruises, Silversea, and Regent offer Alaska-based itineraries. Smaller cruise options like Uncruise Adventures focus on getting passengers off the boat and into the wild. Number 8. Dress for the elements. Alaska's casual lodge culture is one of its many charms, inviting visitors to enjoy a laid-back atmosphere while immersing themselves in the state's stunning natural beauty. However, it's essential to remember that the weather in Alaska can be highly unpredictable, earning it the reputation of experiencing 4 seasons in a day. To make the most of your Alaskan adventure, it's crucial to be well prepared for varying weather conditions. Here's a detailed guide on what to pack to ensure your comfort and enjoyment. Layered clothing. The key to dressing for Alaska is layering. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer to keep sweat away from your skin. Long-sleeve shirts and thermal leggings are ideal choices. Over this, add insulating layers like fleece or down jackets. Waterproof outerwear. Given Alaska's propensity for rain, snow, and even the occasional drizzle of freezing rain, waterproof gear is essential. Invest in a good quality waterproof jacket with a hood and waterproof pants. These will keep you dry during unexpected downpours. Wool socks. Warm and moisture-wicking wool socks are a must. They will help you keep your feet dry and warm even in damp conditions. Hiking boots. Sturdy hiking boots with good ankle support are vital for exploring Alaska's rugged terrain. Look for boots with waterproofing and insulation for added comfort in wet and cold conditions. Gloves and hats. Pack gloves or mittens to keep your hands warm, and don't forget the hat or a beanie. Warm bottoms. In addition to thermal leggings, consider packing long underwear to keep your legs warm. Sunglasses and sunscreen. Despite the unpredictable weather, Alaska can still be quite sunny, especially during the summer months. Day pack. A small day pack can be incredibly useful for carrying essentials like water bottles, snacks, and extra layers. Insect repellent. In some areas of Alaska, mosquitoes can be quite bothersome, so insect repellent can be a lifesaver. Camera gear. If you're a photography enthusiast, don't forget to bring your camera equipment. Alaska offers some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the world, so you will want to capture it. Binoculars. Wildlife is abundant in Alaska, so a pair of binoculars can enhance your viewing experience. Cash and cards. While casual attire is the norm, you may want to have some money and credit cards for dining out or purchasing souvenirs. Number 9. Plan and book early. Alaska's luxury lodges and flights book up quickly, so plan well in advance. Rental cars can be scarce, so book ahead. Keep in mind that Alaska's weather is unpredictable, so activities may change at the last minute. Number 10. Trust Alaskan bush pilots. To access remote destinations, you'll often rely on small planes or helicopters. Adventure lodges like Ultima Thule and Crystal Creek use these aircraft for activities. Rest assured, Alaska's brush pilots are experts, and flying provides a breathtaking view of the landscape. If you're prone to motion sickness, pick ginger candies or Dramamine. An Alaska vacation promises unforgettable adventure in one of the world's most pristine and awe-inspiring destinations. That's all for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.